Run the code online or download from codegib.com, link in the description below. Anaconda is a powerful distribution of Python and R programming languages for data science and machine learning tasks. It includes various packages and tools to streamline the development process. This tutorial will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Anaconda Python 3.6 on a Windows 10 system. Now that Anaconda is installed, you can start using it for Python development and data science tasks. Anaconda allows you to create isolated Python environments. To create a new environment, use the following command. Replace myenv with your desired environment name. To activate the environment, run. You can install packages into your environment using conda install or pip install. Or, now, you can run Python scripts using the Anaconda distribution. Replace my_script.py with the name of your Python script. In this tutorial, you learned how to download and install Anaconda Python 3.6 on Windows 10. Additionally, you learned how to verify the installation and create a new Anaconda environment for your Python projects. Anaconda provides a powerful environment for data science and Python development, enabling you to efficiently manage dependencies and packages for your projects. ChatGPT. Anaconda is a popular open-source distribution of Python and R programming languages for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading and installing Anaconda Python 3.6 on a Windows 10 system. 1.1 Open your web browser and go to the official Anaconda website, Anaconda Downloads. 1.2 Scroll down to find the section with different versions of Anaconda. Locate the version that corresponds to Python 3.6 and click on the download button. 2.1 Once the download is complete, locate the installer file, example Anaconda 3-202x.x Windows x86_64.exe, and double-click to run it. 2.2 The Anaconda installer will open. Click Next to proceed with the installation. 2.3 Read and accept the license agreement. Click I agree and then click Next. 2.4 Choose the installation type. For most users, the default option Just Me, Recommended, is suitable. Click Next to continue. 2.5 Choose the destination folder for Anaconda installation. The default location is usually fine. Click Next to proceed. 2.6 Choose whether to add Anaconda to your system path environment variable. It's recommended to leave this option selected. Click Install to start the installation. 3.1 The installation process will take some time. Once completed, you will see a screen that says Completing the Anaconda 3 Setup Wizard. Click Next. 3.2 Optionally, you can choose to install Visual Studio Code along with Anaconda. Make your selection and click Next. 3.3 Click Finish to complete the installation. 4.1 Open the Anaconda Navigator from the Start menu. This is the graphical user interface for managing your Anaconda packages and environments. 4.2 In the Navigator, you can launch Jupyter Notebooks, Spider, and other tools that come with Anaconda. 4.3 Open the Anaconda prompt from the Start menu. Type the following command to check the Python version. You should see something like Python 3.6.x indicating that Python 3.6 is installed. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed Anaconda Python 3.6 on your Windows 10 system. You are now ready to start using Anaconda for your data science and Python development projects. ChatGPT.